Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bennington 25 swingback cruiser with the dinette portside table. One of my favorite boats I think's come through here in a long time. If you are looking for a boat to bring tons of friends and family with you and be able to day cruise all day long in style and very comfortable, I think this is it right here. This boat has the midnight black rippled panel with the smooth anthracite accent panel. Of course, this is a tri-two with our SPS performance package on it, powered by a 225 horsepower Mercury V6 with power steering. We did the double bimini top, so you can have tons of coverage for that all-day cruising I was telling you about. And let me show you some of the more stuff here back behind the boat. So this boat does have the extended aft deck, so you'll have tons of room to be able to lounge and get on off the boat or jump in to go swimming. We got that 225 horsepower engine. A nice large ski tow bar so you can pull all the kids and friends on the water tubes and skis. This boat does have the lily pad boarding entry ladder. Makes getting in and out of the boat almost effortless. Very, very nice. Come on inside, let me show you more. All right, thanks for joining me inside. Look at the size of these two forward chase lounge seats. Super comfortable. This does have the luxury package added to it. We have a 20% cutout area here, so you got a spot to put your cell phones, your drinks out of the sun. The seats wrap around here in the bow, so you have a comfortable position to either chase lounge forward or lounge back, and tons of room for all your friends. This has a removable bow table that you can store underneath the console. Come here and check out this dinette seating area. I absolutely love this. You've got two bar stool style seats here on this side, 4 cup holders, all LED lighting around the table. Or you can reverse and come over here to the swingback side. You still got your backrest on the swingback seat for another table seating area here. Talking of the swingback, let's say you're ready to lounge and watch the kids swim. You can take the lounger seat, pull it up and in, and now you have a rear facing lounger style seat. Again, this having the luxury package adds another cutout area here for all your gear, sunscreen, sunglasses, and drinks. Check out the console on this. A part of this package has the fiberglass console. Notice how they bring the throttle down here alongside the driver for a nice comfortable position. You have 2 touch screens. You have the 7-inch control touchscreen here for your radio, LED lights, dock lights, navigations. You'll have the display touchscreen here that will display all your gauges and information about the engine, fuel economy, speed, water depth, air temperature. You have a wireless charger. A nice glove box down here that's lockable for your sunglasses or wallet while you're at the restaurant. You got the glass windscreen. You have a light sensor for daytime running lights. That's right, your navigation lights and anchor light will turn on automatically at dusk. Bennington really just thought of everything on this boat. I love it. Love to show it to you in person. Come and see us, MarineMax of Greenville.